What's going on, guys? Welcome back to PFISpeed. I am blasting down to Colorado Springs right now. We're meeting up with my great friend JJ, who I used to race with a lot. He's the one with the Legend Civic that's in the shop right now, that we're gonna have Steven drive as soon as we can get a hold of a transmission movement. Whole nother story. But anyway, I'm headed down to the Springs right now. I'm gonna go catch up with him and Mathew Beem. I guess Mathew Beem has created some crazy race car, and we're gonna go rip with him. So we're gonna find out what this is all about. If you guys haven't seen Mathew Beem's channel, he's done all kinds of wild stuff with Mr. Beast and all kinds of other YouTubers, and he's kind of fun to watch. He's a good kid and a good friend of JJ's. So we're gonna go down and help him out, see if we can't do some ripping today. Should be a lot of fun. It's always so wild to get called in for these opportunities, but it's pretty cool too. So I like to see how other YouTubers do it. This should be interesting, that's for sure. Something PFISpeed has not done before, so this should be cool. Here's behind the scenes of a big YouTuber's video, so let's check it out. All right, guys, here's our ride for the day. JJ's little hot rod. You've seen it in the channel before. She is made.
We'll really get it going.
Get rowdy. Star Wars. This is what it reminds me of, like going through the Death Star.
Jesus Christ. That's badass, dude.
I think it's safe to say this thing rips. It gets to 62 real fast.
Been spot on. What's that car called?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. We're going to race Lightning McQueen with the Huracon.
Drag strip.
And that's what
What is that?
we mean.
I bet. That is a unit right there. I think it's bigger than the truck. Maybe it'll fit over the truck body. That's what we should try to do. Got to recover it to unveil it.
We just made it to the race car track. Now it's time to take the blue tarp off and see if it has any damages.
That's sexy. Well, they get the car off the trailer. JJ and I are just kind of having fun and scanning the Lamborghini, making sure everything's good, and making sure we're ready to rip. We should make a funny car from foam. That is hilarious. What a unit.
Someone come show me where to park.
It's like a float you'd see in a parade, you know? Sorry, it's a little windy, but I feel like I'm with all my other YouTuber buddies because I'm needing to provide suction mounts. He's all stuck. All right. JJ's bringing the Lambo up. So what's your name, buddy?
Eric.
Eric? Cool. Glad you're out here joining us.
How long have you been racing for?
A few years. I got a few white hairs from it.
A few years, huh?
Oh, just a few. That's okay.
I know, let's do this.
Your engine's so loud I can't even hear ya.
Let's do this.
I am so nervous right now.
Listen to me, bro. Up here, if you don't have the right headspace, then you're not gonna win.
I only have
No, you're gonna beat this thing. Okay, you actually look like really efficient.
time speed.
Just remember, the gas pedal's on the right. Good job.
I can only see the very top. How am I going to do this?
Alright, man, pull it forward! 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 Alright, stop, back a little. He's good. Slow down. He's good. He's good. Alright. Right there.
Come on, Jay.
What the hell is Matt doing? Fast, huh? Go! We gotta go, we got him.
I would say that's a disqualification. Cross the lanes. Well, that's what I said. At 55, that body's flying up.
Got him, look. Come on, high five. Good job.
It looked like a wheelie.
All rookies.
Yeah. We all start somewhere.
Yeah.
Get them into a real car, they'd have all the fun. Sorry guys, I was just reminiscing about our other videos racing some real fast cars.
It's like, we'd have to broom that off now. $100 a car.
Well, Jay, how'd it go?
Killed it.
How'd we do, Eric?
Not bad? Yeah. I gotta mash it a little bit, and then I was like, whoa!
Oh, it's so funny. I let off a little. He was like, go, go. I think we just crashed.
I don't think he knew where he was going, and the body started coming up, and they really couldn't see.
Oh, the body did come up? Oh, shit. I didn't think it was going to.
Oh, you got a flat tire!
So we need to get a tech inspector up here. Got no wheel.
Yeah. There he is. So when he took off, the body raised up, and then he couldn't see, so he just stopped. Smart. And Jay and I kind of planned that. We kind of knew it. We kind of do something like that. So I was like, as soon as you get by it, just fly. That's what he did. So worked out good. Super interesting. I mean, they created something cool and they're playing with it. It's all good to me. All right, let's try this again. We got our wheel replaced. Good thing. They're gonna need your knife on that wheel again.
If we push it back.
Yeah, it's a little. That's what I just told him. All right, Lightning McBeem and JJ Olson. He's the son, not a sin. It's kind of crazy, but you know they're non-car guy racers, so we're helping them through it. We're figuring it all out. It's cool. Have a good time. All you guys coaching in the comments, I can only imagine. Did good that time. Kept her in the lane. Got her all shut down. She looks safe. It's cool. And we're having a lot of fun. We're giving Erica a hell of a day. So it's cool. That's what it's all about, man. Just inspiring these guys. We're gonna inspire youth. You know, this video. These guys, obviously, it's a younger audience than you guys, but you know, we're gonna inspire young guys any way to go racing. That's what we're gonna do. If we don't, this shit dies. That ain't for me. Dang, that thing looks good. Rah. You're good, Jay. I think that's a wrap. I think that's all we're doing. Pretty fun, definitely different. Any day we get to bring the Lambo out is a good day. That's what I always say. She's a beaut. 12-1, 117. I figure you let off just after Dave. doing great, Dave. Perfect. Straight. No, you're good. Right now. Go. Yep. Straight. Straight. Yep. Woo! Well, good thing we're mechanics because we got a bunch of lights and we're checking out the stuff here. Get it all fixed up. Be back again after JJ releases his stuff. You didn't see that? One way, that way. Let's go.